Alright, got something interesting here. Now these have been coming down on price fairly a lot online, everywhere else, and people are producing a lot of these. These are the Toxics. Broadheads, 100 grain. Gonna go ahead and start trying these out. I'm very interested to see what kind of damage that will actually do, especially going through a bone. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna break. They're gonna come off fairly easy, but it's a hell of a cutting hole right there. These are 100 grains. There's all different kind of manufacturers of these now that you can find online. So there you go, the Toxic Broadheads, 100 grain. They're pretty deadly. That's just a quick look at them. We are going to try the power test with the Toxics. Power test. Got the flour, a little thin board with a little over 1/4 of an inch, 3/8, and the water jugs behind. Here we go. These are the Toxics. Getting the power test and see what kind of penetration we get going through the flour. Got the board, then got the jugs of water. Shooting with the Jackal. Again, 150-pound draw, 315 feet per second, and about 95 pounds of energy. Didn't get a whole lot of penetration, that's for damn sure. We did puncture the first jug, but as us expected, the little loops stopped it from going in. It actually cracked this up pretty good. Let me see if we can't just take this apart real quick. As you see, we got the 3 holes. You can't see that, yeah. Got the 3 holes going through, so it is cutting like I thought. So if that's going through a muscle, it's definitely eating it up. There's the exit wound on it. Definitely eating it up, so that's a good sign.